Position yourself lying on your back, with your lower legs supported by a firm chair. The aim of this exercise is to relax in a position to allow some pain relief and a gentle stretch in your lower back. If the chair height is not sufficient to feel that it is offloading pressure from your lower back, try placing a towel or cushion on the edge of the chair. You may feel some tension in your lower back in this position if you are currently recovering from an episode of acute low back pain.